Hello everyone, we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in US Championship 2025 or 2025 US Women's Championship. So today's round number 2. So it means a long game or round robin. And also have between from this international master in USA is Alice Lee versus my favorite players or my crush. So beautiful and pretty woman grandmaster in USA is Jennifer Yu. So she was a beautiful and pretty. So I thought I like her because I crush her. So because I'm a fan her from Jennifer Yu. So in this today's round number 2 here in this part of this video, we have analyzed of the standings after round number 2 in US Women Championship. So white plays Alice is d4, d5u, knight f3, knight f6 is called queen's pawns opening symmetrical variation. And also g3 is called Torta-Cower attacks because these are the upcoming by light square bishop by bishop g2. So bishop g2 by Alice here. And also e6 by you. And also bishop g2 without preparing castling by Lee. So upcoming by castling, and also bishop e7 by you without preparing castling kingside by Jennifer, and also castle kingside by Lee, castle kingside by you, and also c4 sacrifice by Lee because these are the upcoming the pawn captured without queen's gambit accepted here, and also a5. So for example, so if you capture this pawn, captured pawns, how do you think from queen's gambit accepted here, and also b3? So b3 here, so if you move by this one is b5. So b5, if you capture this pawn, captured, and also queen a4. So without queen threats the pawns. So threatening the pawns, and this one is bishop to a6. So without defense the bishop, or bishop defense the pawns because queen cannot attack this pawn. So these are the defense the bishop and pawns here. So easy, so good, slightly good examples here. So it means so back there this one by a5 by you here, and also knight e5 without strongest by this Lee here because very strongest because these are the defense here by pawns. So these are the continuations here. So these are the controls by this protecting the pawns here. And also c6 without defense the pawns, and also knight c3, and also knight bd7, and also e4 without triple pass pawn by this one, or without maybe by a count. So counters attacks the pawns, so counters attacks the pawns, or maybe here this one the pawns without threats the pawns. So with the idea, these are the ready attacks here. So Jennifer Yu decided this one is d takes c4 without sacrifice here, without pawns captured here, and also knight captured, and also b5 without threats the knights. So threats the knights, or maybe without decided this one push to b4 without attacks this one the knights here. And decided by Alice Lee is backwards knight e3 because these are the so need more backwards here, and decided U is pawn b4 attacks the knights, and also knight a4, bishop a6, and also rook e1. So it means so without bishop, so without counters attacks the rook. So it means so Alice Lee decided this one is rook e1 without move counter moves here, and also bishop to b5. So these are a novelty by you of this game. So these are the old main lines by recording by knight to b6, and also pawn c5, or maybe here by rook to e8. So rook e8 is a old main lines here. So it means so novelty bishop b5. So out of this booklet by this one by you here, and also b3 without defense the knights, and also queen c7, and also knight c4 without controls, without defense here by Alice Lee here, and also e5, knight captured, so it means does not want of this computer engine. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to b2. So need more moves here. So these are the slightly advantage from whites here. So back there, this one is knight captured, pawn takes, and also queen captured, bad move by Jennifer Yu. So the best moves there, this one is rook a d8, need more threats the queens. So threats the queens here. If you decided this one is queen c2. So queen c2 without ignoring the queens. So how do you do that if you move bishop to d3? Threats the queens. So it means without protects the rooks, or bishop without threats the queens. So how do you do that? And also queen d2. Need more ignores here. So etc, etc. These are the slightly advantage from whites and blacks here. So it means back there, queen captured pawns without threats the rook. So without threats the rooks here, and also bishop b2 by Alice Lee without bishop threats the counters attacks the queens here, and also queen backwards e6, and also queen c2. So without controls by defense the pawns here, and also rook fd8. Oh, what you plans to work by Jennifer Yu? Oh, without decided this one with next move bishop to d3 without threats the queens. So these are the continuations the without connecting the bishops here, and also e5 without threats the knights or counters the attacks the knights, because these are the rooks without pins the queens. So pinning this one the threats the queens, and also knight d5 by Jennifer Yu, and also bishop e4 without idea the bishop captured without check, because these are the queens, these are queens behind the queens and bishop here, and also g6 without no more by diagonals without check. So no more diagonals here from this one, and also knight c5, good move by Alice Lee without idea by threats the queens, or move targets the attacks the eliminates the queens, and also decided queen g4 by you here, and also pawn e6, or maybe without idea this one the capture this pawn, or without pawns. So these are the ready that capture the pawns here, and also pawn f5 without idea this one the threatening the bishops here, so it means does not one of this computer engine the moves by this u x move. So the one's computer captured pawns, so capture these pawns here, so need more captured, and decided this one this knight captured. I don't know knight captured. So no need capture the knight captured pawns. I'm sorry, I got wrong decided here. So easy advantage from blacks here. So it means back there this one is f5 x move by Jennifer Yu without threats the bishop, and also bishop g2. Without the idea, without move by push to f4. Without counters push by f3 threats the bishop. So these are the next target move here, and also f4 by you, very strongest idea by push f3 threats the bishops here, because these are the pawns by next counters by h3 threats the queens here, and also knight d7. So it means these are the determinations here, and also f3 threats the bishop, and also h3 without threats the queens. So it means, so do not capture the pawn takes bishop, because pawn captured queen. So no more queens here. And also queen h5. So need more backwards by Jennifer Yu. And also decided this one is rook e5 that targets the queens. So eliminates the queens or rook without threats. The knight sacrifice brilliant here. And also g5 without covering the queen. So the first guessing puzzle. So what do you think the without focusing idea by Alice Lee? So finding brilliant sacrifice move by international master Alice Lee. So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook captured knight. Strong, brilliant sacrifice by Alice Lee. So very strongest move here. So without rook capture this one. And also pawn captured sacrifice the rook. And another brilliant sacrifice queen f5. Another brilliant move by Alice Lee. So very strong master by Alice Lee because these are the highest evaluation bar. So very highest by very brilliant. So impressive by Alice Lee here. And also rook captured. And the last move, this one, pawn captured rook resigns by my favorite players, woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu. So why she resigns? So for example, so if you move by this one by bishop captured pawns and also queen captured check without check or traps the rooks. So eats the rooks. So it means lose from blacks here. So fatal here. So I thought Jennifer Yu is very win. So very wasteful lose here. So the score by this one by Alice Lee is 95.6. So highest accuracy move. So the score by Jennifer Yu is 86.4. So the winner from this round number 2, Alice Lee. So very smart. So very strongest by this brilliant here. 2 brilliant sacrifice by Lee. The very highest brilliant sacrifice. So the next from round number 3 between woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu versus international master Anna Sarsian. So I thought Jennifer Yu was win. So win her. So it means so I will analyze of this game soon. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17 aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe. And don't forget to subscribe by YouTube channel Mark Luagi 17 Speaking English and Mark Luagi Part 2 Speak Tagalog and Cebuano. So don't forget the views or like of this one in this my videos. So have a good day and keep safe and happy Tuesday. Bye bye.